Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use floating windows and split screen on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Reset apps. So let me quickly open some apps so you guys can see that it works. Let's open like 6 apps. Let's have something to choose from. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open them by swiping up or by tapping the third button, and after that, here we have them. We're gonna press and hold, and here we can choose a split screen, and we can choose the other app that will go with it. So I'll choose, let's say, Chrome, and if somebody's just trying to call you, you can have it still here. You can also resize it like this, and here we can still browse the internet, so you guys can do everything on the internet. As you guys can see, it pretty much works perfectly fine. Now I closed it, but this works pretty fine. The split screen icon, let me show you how it looks like. It looks like this is like 2 different boxes. And to use floating windows, all you need to do is press this button right here. So now this is a floating window. We can actually go over and change the position of it. Of course, we can even make it smaller, or we can open it from the sidebar right here. So we got, let's say, the TikTok. Now as you guys can see, it is like this. We can watch TikTok and let's say download some apps. So we're gonna go here, tap install, and as you guys can see, we are still watching TikTok and we are watching HardReset Pro. So that's basically how it looks like. Now we can also enable the sidebar. Let me show you where. You go to settings and go over to additional settings. Now select special features and floating windows, and here enable smart suggestions. Now here you got a tutorial. We're gonna go to side toolbox and make sure that the sidebar is enabled. Of course, we can also use tools and effects while watching videos, so we can enable it. And as you guys can see, we can do everything right here pretty much. We can watch it, and we can of course close it. So to close something, all you do is, let me use the app that actually works in the floating screen. Let's use this. What you guys can do is click on those 3 dots and select where you want it. We can select it right here, and now we can easily go over and enable another app. Of course, we can fully close it or use another app. And that's basically how you guys can easily multitask. You guys can resize those windows, you can move them around, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.